Sabana guys, how you guys? Welcome back to my office. Nakli, yeah, you see, I had put a green day, Maranville office in yam. You guys, see me. Ngitshela ndabanga energy so ngifuna le ndaba le because nibusy le astozi hey ungathatha ama side ngicela uchaza ne okay sharp ngihype ne ngicela uchaza guys ngitshela ngathi mina umuntu bangikhuluma like for mother thing because of relationship nyana wabona. So it was difficult for me ukuthi ngiaccept istory saka sisi because of bengafuna uoffender usisi oqale uyoqala ubona ukuthi ngimizwe Emma let me inbox usisi Jozi ngikhuluma naye ngibona ukuthi abantu banga-advise abathini yabona. So that's why like ibekile in between ke sasenke and then namanithi isikhulume masayita mayi2 ayi3 indaba njanja I've decided ukuthi you know what, let me contact lo sisi omfanele eqaleni ngikhulume naye ngimuzwe ukuthi usharp na ukuthi ngasikhuluma na ngabe ukuthi umuntu ngimothombo snack sobona. So usisi waseqaleni wabe sokuthi no it's fine arekwirena yasayita higher story iringi it's fine ngiyabela kugele ngathi okay girl ngizosikhuluma story sakho ke but I've decided ukuthi ngicommunicate nabo sisi abayithu ngathi you know what this thing ifuna ne need to nhlanganise nabazali then inalist keleke ngesi366 esingicabanisayo try to sort this thing out because into eziso zigcina somunye afuna usebenzisa umuthi asebenzise lo munye or omunye ugcina sa 6 feet under because of rubber ka eng ball pen ngibambi shame madoda soyike nje mazozisa umthino thuneni azisingenise ecebe lethu ngiyantshela. Okay, back to the story. Okay, usisi ngivula inbox into kahle angisafuna ukusichaza mangokhuluma exactly the way uyabhale ngakhona angeke ngisathi nakhumbula ngathi I won't say that ngiyokhuluma ngizobona ukuthi ngikhuluma siphi story la ngizoconnect khona ama dots ne but usisi lelanga on ngifayeni le video Monday, it was Monday or Tuesday ngibona inamba ithi ngicela inbox ithi ngicela inamba yakho it's very urgent hayi ngithi number umuntu abona ukuthi no watangathi no record voice note yongithatha isikhathi let me call this person wangfonela ke ugere asozi kena wayana la bare ngale ungana le husband my friend kina it's okay it's okay kine ngofa site la kana story ke batla ofa site la ka story ngithi okay shapa ngicela ungirecordele because mase ukhuluma la ngikhonkhohla ama parts abantu ungirecordele and then sizokhuluma. Hayi ugirl vele ngibone ama recording at 1 2 3 4 5 ubahlala ushaphele ngithi okay that's when ngeke ngiza ngale kini nginibuza because beselekile iglobal ngazi ukuthi ngenze kanjani. Okay sevala ke le chapter le ema ngibeni serious. Okay usisi yabhala ke uthi asozi nake nathembi ne as bengihamba nomngane wami thina sihambile sisikhiphile vele nomngane wami so masihamba sisikhiphile awushozi this guy wabere nice cape white ka t-shirt ethwiwe kama sneaker amhlophe abuti alright body wise facial wise alright vele or awushozi ki type yaka na le type kinale of course a certain type ya batho bakitshola ngilibona. So this guy was my type. So ngabe sengitshela ufriend ukuthi no what lo ngizombamba lo like type yakhe ubona okay uyeza kithi etafuleni uyasikhuluma isicala khulumise mina like naki bubbly ke umuntu amazane ekhulumayo like kinala self confidence vele yabona. So umngane wami like ke banyana babale reserved akakhulumi until wena uzomkhulumisa my friend umuntu onjalo uthi okay ugaya afika akhulumise mina akhulumise ufriend akakhulumi akacoce vele uzipressa ifone ugaya angikhulumise ayisikhuluma ugaya athi you know what I just want to talk to your friend uthi akhulumise ufriend no problem akina problem awushozi siyakhuluma bayakhuluma bayaceda ulo ugaya uthi ngicela ukuthi umbhaze the following day uthi athi ufriend ambhaze okay mina ngiyahamba ngibasheta friend basakhuluma mina ngiyahamba so ngiyako ladies room wabona kochikoli diradi powder uthi anyaya mangizophuma ku ladies room ugaya now yabona unzimande ngithi unzimande nangu uthi unzimande makafika uyangikhulumisa uthi no baby girl like grata style we opera ngathi ngiyangicompliment okay sharp ugay nogela bangashela nanga baphane kuphela ama number phone ugay athi kimi athi you know what can I please have your number ngithi uphe ufriend inumber yakho ukubona athi no but angathathanga inumber ka friend yakho so wena ngicela ukuthi wena ungipha ama number wakho yabona rasozi nakife mashimana Kise mshimane endini nabafoni jaka. Hayi sikhambe sivele ngimbuza ngithi bekathini uGayi uthi hayi uGayi uthi sengimbaze kusasa asingakhuluma ngolisithi sokhuluma kahle kusasa ngoba kuyarasa la. Okay sharp. Hayi umnati awushozi radio like umnati kube ukuthi sesiyahlukana ke mina uGayi bangifika endlini awushozi amfonele uGayi fonele he ungikhahlile engi bengicela ukuthi ngicanga ukuthi singabonana can we meet tomorrow in izinto ezinjalo. Hayi awushozi kube ukuthi vele mina ngiyavuma ke singekana akenamuntu kadumela hore nale ka robonana wabona hayi sazikhipha ke no Gayi siyabonana kanti lesikele mesil 666 esinguzimande uzimande ubonana nami or asoze ubonana lena judge me if you can ngijajana sabe siyabonana nendla saye ku second location ngoba ke tabatshela tsa home obona mantombazana so communication kwabe sekwenzeka izilezi indaba lezo wabona. And then after that kanti ugel after mina sengihlukana noNzimande ugel yo bhaza uNzimande amfonini kube ukuthi bayakhuluma ke ukuthi baxobona no stuff like something like that. Mina noNzimande phela sesihlanganile. I'm thinking ukuthi no we are in a relationship kanti uNzimande naye bayako udira ujahatsa abutsotsi wabona. Okay sharp ufriend uyeza kimi ekhaya wathi each friend ngikhulume no brothers phela ubrothers ngenze call back brothers ngifonelile wangifonela so ubrothers uthi ubaxombona brothers ubaxobona byang abona uthi vele like ngahetheka like emotionally like ngahetheka ukuthi this guy nalena besibonanele richobonana no really siso si2. So now why afonela ugel yabona uri uzimane bekulafana laba ukuthi ma play yabona uthi awushoze hayi vele kungasabi mnandi friendship yethu ingasabi mnandi. Remember leso sikhathi besihlanganile umunye university umunye university uthi ahambe ugel ngizame ukukhuluma noGayi ukuthi no man like why ungikira so as a lady cause uzozubhlungu ukuthi bawurile one night stand yabona uthi hayi vele uGayi vele achaze ukuthi no now I'm interested in this person so mina into esenza ngicela ukuthi ibe between us singasaphindi siyenze kodwa awushoze mina vele ngaphuma endabeni wabethi uthi bona vele baya continue ke bayathandana until kuze kunifike taba hore mbona banyalana banomsese taba elisirasi abantu sebayashada. It's okay sure awushozi mina noGayi besingasekho right besingekho right because of izinto science because of into really ikilobona. Okay umshado uyafika kuba ukuthi ke umama wakhe nomama bayakhuluma ukuthi ngikhaphe uNzimande ekithi or awushozi as motho if ever motho kilomona kalibona hayi one it's easy for you urumona la kwethu it's easy enolanga mina bengiphosile noNzimande naye kabakuphosile masifika endlini kwaba ukuthi siyenza lento sayenza lesa sikhathi sicala ukubonana. Or unfortunately it wasn't my plan leso sikhathi because shathi ke hudile I'm wiser it wasn't my plan but kwayenzeka ngiphuzile naye uphuzile sayenza whatever siyenza ngazisola after that and I told myself you know what into ngiyenzile it's wrong and I don't think ukuthi ngizoyenza again. Saxolisana ke mina noNzimande indaba yethu ukuthi sayinqwaba or awushozi mangidlula izinyanga lakho yona ke singela ke namoto kuyafloat makhulu izinyanga awushozi ngitho find out ukuthi no man ikhona into edlala esiswini ngithanda ukuthi pregnant ngitshela uGayi you know what lalanga into esenzile igcine semina sengikhulele phela manje senginomntwana esiswini hayi uGayi amakhala nakinya ke ngwana or ashozi akina ngwana and I didn't want to ukuthi ngimoshe ama chances wami in future ukuthi ngibe nabantwana bathi ngizokhipha isizo sami sokucala abona uthi ngale ngithi okay if you don't want to get involved emntwaneni it's fine na as ngisebenza ngizokhona ukuzenzela izinto zomntwana don't stress yourself ukuthi ungasifaki emntwaneni wami kube ukuthi ba ne conflict ke mina noNzimande okay sharp sihlukana uthi awusoze the minute ngifind out ukuthi I'm pregnant that was the time la ngidrift away from my friend cause bekithaba gore utloreng ngwana kwamang like be avoid those questions ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani yabona hayi sharp outstores kube ukuthi vele mina na friend vele asisa communicate that much sikhuluma lelo langa vele bengiyenza vele ngaboma ukuthi singasakhulumi because angeke ngikhona ukukhuluma nomuntu sengimbetray 2 times ngumyeni wakhe. Hayi uthi ke uba drift apart like that ke noGeli uthi okay kungabi nenkinga ke isikhathi sihambe vele isikhathi sihamba like sisa drift vele sisakhuluma uthi umntwana sekakhona umntwana sekazaliwe awushozi ngwana abitengi ngwana abilwane ngwana abili 2 years mangathi 3 years umntwana awushozi umntwana hlanga Tona hlanga la ngisebenza khona ngine medical aid uthi ngimhambise mo doctor ngimhambise bamrana ama test umntwana solo akabi right yabona kube ukuthi umama athi yazi ngathi indaba zabo doctor azisebenzeni asihambise lo mntwana ke sohlola ukuthi inkinga yomntwana yini uthi remember awusoze hitha ngibatshela ukuthi ubaba kaMntwana ubani because of kithaba ditaba ja gore govela ukuthi umntwana wa husband ka friend wami uthayi mina nomama singene emotweni sihambe ke sisi umntwana siyohlola uthayi masifika lapha yana umuntu esihlole kuyimakhosi asitshela athi sisi lo mntwana lo kufanele bamenzele isiko laseke embeleko so umntwana wakabani umntwana lo uhlupha abantu abaphansi bayamfuna abasekiwe umntwana wakabani uthi vele abe straight to the point ukuthi umntwana wakabani kudingeka the same ukuthi umntwana akhona ukulumulama abe right so umntwana kabani or awushozi ke moditaba ditsule ngoteng or ditaba ditsule kondombeni yangizwa uthi indaba ziphuma endumbeni and I was crying because of ke embarrassment it's your first child and ubile ngwana le married man uthayi vele kushiwo ukuthi ngimatshele vele family ukuthi umntwana wakabani bani kwayenzeka iphutha lelalanga kwenzakalani yabona ngichazela umama athi ngoba indaba seyenzekile umntwana ngeke sikhona ukumbusela emuva ngcono sambe nisekibo umfana and then sochaza le ndaba yakhe bomfana wena fonela lo mfana wakho nikhona ulungisa le ndaba le ura awusithi that lokho emfonele ubrothers ngifone nithi manje umntwana akasi right umntwana bekangena in and out ebhedlela akekho right so now uhlangahlangane kakhulu so sisekusela ngamakhosi uthi kufuneka iseneni umntwana afanele ukuthi ayengene kini bayombika isibayeni yabona okay alright awushozi no problem ugayi vele angafuni vele ukuthi abe involved vele ali athi you know what if ever angafuni ukuya kuthina sizozelekini because ngihamba nomama mkhulu wami yabona uthi vele kube ukuthi ngiya driver vele ngithi straight kibo gayi because now issue ukuthi umntwana useya between kuphila nokufa uthi masifika khabo gayi vele mina ngingakhulumi umama nomamkhulu kube uba bachazayo ukuthi no umntwana inabantwana bayenza iphutha kwavela umntwana uthi ekibo husband ka my friend ne azange kube ukuthi gacatshwana like that but kwaba nama questions ukuthi why for ukuthi ubetray umngane wakho like that lo muntu uyakuthanda lo muntu uyakurespecta in kwaba izinto ezinjalo I had to apologize phela ngapologize ukuthi ungcono ke ncede umntwana mina bangangikhulumisi it's fine but lo muntu legazi labo like wabona uthi awusitshozi hayi umama vele afonele omunye uanti wabo uanti naye eze bafike vele bahambe bangenisa umntwana isibayeni bambike bathi bake bamdireduce ngona kaMilora and stuff like that ifamily uthi hayi umntwana kube ukuthi siyajika ke lelo langa sivile ka or awusitshozi sathile umntwana vele abengqono umntwana lulame makudlula ivika umntwana sekapholile umntwana seka right yabona uthi umama mami beka shocked ukuthi ngaze ngiyenza into so uthi umama wangithethisa usho or like umama wangithethisa like ukila ngikomanya to extend ukuthi vele besene nami ngiporeha like mangisekithi ngipora ukuthi mina nomama besine conflict because of into engiyenzile because akhuluma ukuthi ngiyombheka kanjani mara umakhelwane because umakhelwane mina siyaphilisana umakhelwane mina naye sihambe ema society sambe isonto lelotho wona namuhla so ubayenze so abantu izinto ezinjalo I had to accept ukuthi ngayenza lelo phutha yabona ngilenzile and lo phutha linamehlo so angeke ngikhona ukuthi ngiyaleraba lelo phutha uthi sharp uthi after 2 months semntwana seka right semntwana kapholile the husband uyangifonela ke ka friend uyangifonela unzimande how are you I'm fine umama ungitshelile ukuthi umntwana and umntwana bamamukele umntwana ufana nami in so bengithanda ukuthi ngabona umntwana ayi bengafuna ukudecline awushozi because bekusenya kokena between dilo zamadimo yabona ngavuma weza ugayi wathi no asihlangane ecomplex next to lekithi la sihlala khona ngaye naye umntwana ecomplex umuntu wabona umntwana from that leyo kabe ukuthi ugayi uthi ke uyangitshela ukuthi no what I'm not happy athi sina ngiyenzile friend wakho uthola umsebenzi uhlala ulula kwalo friend ibingumele ukuthi eze athi friend bekeza like kaningi so this time athi no I'm not coming ngeke ngikhona ukuza yabona so the husband unzimande ucocela uThembi ngiyangibamba ngisho bako molo baduthi baxobona bazobona ufriend uzobona umntwana ufriend akasezi kaningi soyajumpisa amalanga sojumpisa amaviki. I don't understand ukuthi what's going on yabona. So mina ngi-advise ulokuthi wena hamba kuye makathi akezi decide when I drive and go to her, maybe there is something enzakalayo or maybe like ucindezele umsebenzi uthi ngimtshele nzima ithi no nzima. I don't want to get involved in abenza kusomshado because of ukuba nami nomntwana nawo you destroy a relationship yami nomngani wami. Sharp uthi no problem. What else was how sihlukane ke uthi 2 days later umuntu angifonele so check umntwana so yang video call indaba iqale kanjalo sesiya communicate sesiyakhuluma ngifonela noma ngisemsebenzini how unjani boy I no problem siyakhuluma yabona. What else was elinye ilanga beku Saturday ebusuku uthi ukhaya ngifonela mangifonela like ufele sike moya like uyamuza ukuthi uzilubhlungu. I'm asking him yini nzimande you know what umngane wakho ungibetrayile angisakhona ukukhuluma lana ngikhona ngcono ngifuna utshwala ngiphosi yabona. Uthi ngiyambuza ukuthi what's going on yabona abese yasho ukuthi no I found a friend nindoda eroomini la cashe khona that's the reason bengafuna ukuza serious yalo muntu lo uyangichithela. Or awustozi unzimande uthole my friend in bed like basically ngaphakathi ezingubeni with this other guy asebenza naye emsebenzini nasebenza khona. Then kwabe sokuthi bayacabana ke icabana ibaba sebayacabana ke makacabana wafuna waza kimi for a shoulder to cry on. What I was choosing because of lenamo to onike mrata from first time kimona like my weakness was that or what's wrong kamrata and beke batloba lena uthi ukhaya akhona ukukhuluma nami singiyamconsola lapha ngiyamconsola hi athi let me drive back ngithi ngizokhuluma nawe ngicall until uzofika because ngakhona ukuza ukuthi emotionally you are not okay ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi usave na. Okay sharp uthi ayisikhuluma awusizwe abafika endlini la bahlala khona. Hi athi ngizoza kusasa ngizokubona abana atshele mina. Okay sharp the following day a guy calls me Kikomolo can you please meet I ngihlangane ke naye mangihlangana lapha naye sikhulume indaba yethu seyiphelela kuphi kumpite phelela empiteni. Or awushozi kube ukuthi sesiyatshontshana like that because of yena no the wife abasese right wife bambhacile ukhaya uhamba wa reporter wife ekibo ukuthi no ngithole wife nondoda yabona. So le ntombazana le ingizwe sobuhlungu so I'm thinking of getting a divorce because akisamadla yabona. So ekibo guy bathi no rather so ekibo nzimande batshela unzimande ukuthi no why singayikhuluma as a family athi no I don't want to talk to a family like because family akusibo bamphushile ukuthi ayenze izinto zenzile. Mina I trusted this person only for her to betray me yabona. Uthi awushozi yina no guy ke sihlangane ke sesaqala vele sesahlangana kaningi mangishayisa siyabonana uguy like sitsamfana ko ufuna ubona uboy yesihamba semomo lo no boy yabona izinto ezinjalo nje like sesaqala sesifoma this relationship because mina uguy ngitshela ukuthi akasamunyaka ngonyana because of ngonyana umbetrayal yaba like that. Mina nalo muntu lo sesaqala ke sesajonjana manje sesijonjana kakhulu manje sengiba too relaxed. Or awushothi kube ukuthi indaba ephelele empedeni ivele nami ukuthi sengiba nesisu ke so boy too. I was find out ukuthi mina I'm pregnant. So ngitshela unzimande ukuthi imali uyenzile udirile mathatha phela mina I'm pregnant yabona. So unzimande athi no it's fine ngizohlala nawe because of friend wakho vele akisamadla yabona. On the other hand friend mina naye asakhuluma vele inhlobo. So friend ezwe ukuthi mina I'm pregnant nama twins yabona ezwe ukuthi I'm pregnant azange ngimtshele mina ukuthi I'm pregnant. So one time ngisendlini awusithozi ke kolonhlungu cause bekubanda yabona. So uthi mangisendlini ngibona imoto yaphaka egedini mayiphaka egedini hi friend yahlika or like a game vele kamsheba gore ubatla eng cause after azoza ukuthi I'm pregnant nomfuthi like I think it loba problem uthi ngaleso sikhathi ufriend bekangazi but mina I thought ukuthi uyazi but nasatsibe obona hayi ufriend ahlike afihla akaza mina endlini bekazo confirm kahle ukuthi uzulu ukuthi pregnant but to confirm what I'm pregnant yabona. Uthi hayi vele makangibona vele wabongibona sabe sakhuluma sikhulumele ngaphandle azange ahlale nesikhathi wabe se uyahamba like that yabona. So mina kathi sayithi ayithi umuntu akhe samatabo phela ngibaka because of yabona gore conflict itobate. What else was you know ukuthi manje thana nomuntu nizogosipa, obviously it's like that wabona. So uthi mina ngimhlabe nge-voice note ugayi ngithi yona umuntu okhobeka lazo ngikhombisa imoto yakhe edaram uzamile yas akufani uzamile wabona bengitshela ugayi because obviously nale guy relationship, so we will gossip about everything and anything wabona. Uthi okay kanti ugayi ula kwaba la ukuthi uzothola khona ama messages wami and mina ngisatsiba hore gabotsebotse how long will it take for them gore baba apart because of mina ugayi makangitshela nje ukuthi no yena nalomuntu abasakhulumisani vele nomuntu yena akasamfuni ye uyaforce amtshela ngumama wakhe ukuthi umama wakhe uzothini yena ayoba ibuya yabona yaloba return soldier yabona. So akafuni like uyonyamezele like mina ake samandla, so like I'm not going to hide you and I'm no longer going to hide my kids because of like they have a right ukuthi bakhule nobaba. Or awusithi indaba iphile kanjalo kube ukuthi ke lelo la ngila umama wami nomama wakhe sikuhlanganiwa khona ke after the incident kwabe sokuhlanganiwa ke lokuyathe kwathukaniwa awusithi kwathukaniwa ngathukiwe mbele mina bampitsa khole ke sifebe likhaphathe ka ufela bampilitse ka zona and awusithi ngazithatha because of into engenzile. It was wrong from the first time, but the second time minuka ngitshela ukuthi yena nalomuntu bayahlukana, so mina ngaba comfortable ngabe sesenza umntwana. So now I was wrong kulona or awusozi zasile une ikiliba ngikomanya othi bangithethisa ngazibamba because of bekunabazali bethu ngazibamba ngathula wangithuka wagena ikhande wayaphansi wangena wayeka wagibela wayaphansi wagibela ngayeka ngazithulela. What awusozi the second time manje sesihlangana ila nami ngaziphendulela khona ngathi angeke phela angeke uzongithuka unabazali bakho ungithuke sesibhekene sithi ngithula angeke uthi ugel naye wakhipha wabesakhipha amagama ke like I don't know asithukana. Obviously you need to make a point ngokuthi khuluma amagama azohetha omunye umuntu uri nambele benginama points ukuthi lo ngizomhetha ngabe sengimtshela ukuthi wena because of we went when waphuma emshadweni wakho hambula nendoda yakuthola indoda yakhe akuthola empedeni unenye indoda, so bocabanga ini bocabanga ukuthi udimana ngeke abuye uthi manje bekathanda mina originally bekathanda mina sasukuthi angazi ukuthi what really happened because mina unzima uthi ngimtshela vele everything ukuthi vele kwenzekeni uthi vele sigivana like this yabona. The second time masizohlangana awusichosi sihlanganile kanti mina a week later ngizoba nabantwana, so angiba nabantwana kuba ukuthi kumele ukuthi phela abantwana siloba introduce esibayeni singafuni ukuthi bagcine sebayagula. Unzimani wathi no before bazowa ikalana abathi ko high sizobazisa ekithi njalo izinto ezinjalo uthi okay awusozi abantwana bawisa masinya dikalana a week later baseziwili dikalana thina sahamba ke sayakhaba Nzimande ukuthi ba introduce abantwana esibayeni as a culture yabo ushap orthathile wona bekifetha lo fihla le bana baka peacefully. So angina relationship no sister-in-law, I don't have a relationship no makanzimande. The only thing mina bengilethile ukuthi bayenzele abantwana baphethe isitsho sabona abantwana babe right uthi kanti buyila ngale bhadi ukuthi uzuza makeza lapha yana awusichozi kwabo ukuthi umuntu ofuna ukungena yabona uthi Unzimane athi no what ngicela ukuthi uthule wabese nasoyabuza ke ukuthi mina ngifuna la ngithi ngiyaphendula vele mina Unzimane wathi ngicela ukuthi uthule ungaphenduli wabese watshela umama zalo ukuthi wena uaccept umntwana ukuthi ayenze 1 2 3 4 yabona wena makoti squeeze wena squeeze bengicabanga ukuthi uyangithanda yabona akhulume out of ukuzubhlungu ukilobona uthi awusozi umama zala amtshela ukuthi ay mina ngazi Nzimande athi wena naye senahlukana niku separation but ayikho finalized into yini. So mina ngeke ngize ngicusha abantwana bomntwanami because of indaba yini nithu uyazi ukuthi wenzile amaphutha amakoti ndoda yakwenzile amaphutha mina angifuni ukuthatha ama side usho uma kaNzimande kanjalo athi akafuni ba involved indaba yethu C3 mina ukuthi na C3 sisolve kwabe ukuthi usisi uyaphuma kanjalo azange sangiphinda ngifonele azange mina ekithi bezi basekibo ekithi and mina uNzimande azange mina nayisihlukane. We are together as we speak today. Ngiyazi ukuthi Nzimande ngithole ngendlela engekho right but mina to my friend I've betrayed her twice ngiyavuma but mina lobo ithu angibali ngibale yokucase ecaleni because of I was drunk and bekulanga lakho limshado lapho accountability kayitshiya mara lokho kunye mina awusichosi ngizibonela indoda ngayithanda and phosho yakhe philo yona eyo. And unfortunately ngithi ngiyaxolisa abantwana ngeke baphinde bele emuva, but nna ke gopela tshwarelo antshwarele taba e khona feta, because of there is no use ukuthi singabanga umuntu lo muntu lo yena basically uyamtshela ebusweni ukuthi angisakufoni, you've betrayed my trust. Amen, hallelujah. Friend Shemara right asemisikhumqinisa ukuthi trust yenza ufriend akakho right, akungamelanga bengakamelanga, even esasikhathi bengakamelanga vele, even if sebahlukene kwi-ex bangasakhulumi akungamelanga ukuthi uJD ex kamntwana wakho akungamelanga. Friend wrong and accountability yasinto yakhe siyambona friend wrong. Now the only thing I can say ukuthi abantu laba bahlangane baxoliselana or sisi finalize divorce yakho uphume ebantwini babe yifamily, wena mndimo blessed ehore awabale ngwana.